Hey guys, Justin Vandermark here, and I'm going to be going over what is exposition. As you saw in the previous video, one major element for a successful story is having a very strong story plot arc. And the first part is exposition. So let's jump right into it. Exposition is the background information the reader or the audience needs. This is the setting, main characters, what the story's about, and the relationships between all the characters. The perfect example of this is Iron Man. So let's use Iron Man as an example. The exposition is the who, what, when, where. So we get to meet his best friend who's in the army, James Rhodes. After that, we meet his future villain, Obadiah Stane, who works with him as his partner, but Tony is nowhere to be seen. We finally get to meet the main character, Tony Stark, and we get to see that he's this rich billionaire that lives carefree, right? He wastes his money, doesn't care about his accomplishments, that award he just got. He's a genius playboy billionaire that gets anything and everything he wants. And then we finally get to meet Pepper Potts. We get to see that she's always with Tony. She's his right-hand woman, and you can see the desire and the passion between them. Finally, we get to meet Happy, who's his best friend and his driver. So we get to finally see how Tony is, and we see how he makes his money by selling weapons of mass destruction, WMDs. All this information is all the exposition. It builds up the main characters. It shows their desires. We see the relationships between those characters, and we get to see where he lives and how he lives day to day before the conflict begins. Then from there, it all leads to the rising action, which is the conflict. So for your homework for this video is go over all your characters and give them an exposition. See exactly what they want, what their relationships are between each other, and find out what happened before you get to this moment. Because when the moment happens, the question is why? Why are you choosing now in their life to begin this story? Thank you for watching. Please comment some of your ideas down below on what you think of the video, what your ideas are moving forward for your story. I'd love to hear it. And the next video will be all about the rising action, which is conflict. Thanks, guys.